All right, now we are on the other side. We're supposed to be traveling to the arch, supposedly about 15 minutes. Not sure what to expect. This is what some person on the trail said is over here, but there is a creek and there is a lot of water, so hope that there's some kind of arch waterfall, some kind of interesting landscape over here, so more to come. All right, we're gonna climb up to the arch. Let's see if we can make it. How cool is this? The arch right there. So it flows forward, hits the arch, and then flows backwards. Wow, pretty cool. All right, we made it up on top of the arch one at a time. We had to get on all fours and kind of climb from the left-hand side across, but it was not bad. It was safe, pretty wide up there. Jake, how was it? Good. Yeah, it was pretty cool. And the archway's pretty cool with the waterfall bouncing backwards off it as it falls, so. Super interesting. I would love to see what that looks like after a hard rain or something. I bet you that's pretty wild. I bet you it overflows the top. Gets pretty busy up there, but. All right, I think we're done for the day. More to come next weekend.